Hey guys, welcome back. It's been a little while, but we're finally progressing today on the Escort. So what we're going to try and do is fit this battery tray in the boot. The idea is to put it over here on the side in that gap there, and we're also going to try and reroute all the electrical wiring, as you can see, connect it all up to the tail lights. Sorry about the panning there. So hopefully it all works out okay. That's where we're going to fit it. We're going to put a little bit of foam under it as well, just to kind of fix the angle that it sits on, so it sits a bit flatter. And we'll drill a few holes in it, or 2 holes I should say, and bolt it through. Right, drill a hole. Have a look at that. There's little hole number 1 drilled. Hole number 2 drilled. Alright, here's the battery tray. So we've just put a couple of 6mm holes in there for the bolts to hold the tray in place. Pretty straightforward. It's a little bit of foam that we're going to put under the battery tray. See? Woohoo! Look at that. Just to help keep it in nice and snug. That's the foam to go underneath the battery tray. So this is just for a little bit of extra support. So these are the 2 bolts that I've decided to use. Nice and long, and they are stainless steel, so we won't get any rust. Alright, so both screws are in. This is just a dummy fitting because we'll have to put some zinc paint on the holes that we drilled into the base. I'm going to jump underneath now and put a couple of nuts on it just to see how it fits, and you can see the foam under there too, hey, just to keep it nice and stable. Alright, you can see I've painted the zinc paint on there. It's just to cover the bare metal so we don't get any rust. There you go, 1 and 2 holes. Loving it. I do. Hello, Dad.
Hello. Yeah.
Look at that, he's made up a battery cable.
My job for today.
Well done. Good effort. So check out how long this battery cable actually is. I bought a 5-meter cable, so that's from the rear bumper. We'll follow it. Look at that, all the way out there, eh? It's pretty long. It's better to be safe than sorry. Alright, here's the battery tray. As you can see, we've put the bolts back in, bit of foam there, and we've painted the hole, so now we'll just fit it back into place. I'll also be fitting these nice nylon lock nuts on the bottom of the bolts. There we go, there's 1 nut on. Alrighty, there we go, the battery tray's in. That was a mission. But we got it done. As you can see, there's a bit of foam under there. There's the brand, it's called Mk2. I just bought that on eBay from the UK. And there's the cable, so obviously the cable's not in place, or any of the other electrics. Have a look at that mess. But yeah, we got the battery tray in, so I'm pretty happy about that. Alright, thanks for watching the vid. I hope that helped you guys out. We just kind of made that up on the spot. Me and the old man, give us a wave. Yeah, there he is. I think I mentioned I was going to fix up all the wiring and connect it to the tail lights, etc. But as you can see, it's a giant mess. Yeah, so what I'm going to have to do is another video on the boot, fitting all the wiring. I was hoping to get that done today, but just didn't go as planned. So yeah, thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed this one. It may have even helped you out. And I also really appreciate all the subscribers and all the likes on the videos. It does keep me making these videos, which is good fun for me, and I hope you enjoy them too. And I'll catch you guys on the next video. Cheers. It's just another excuse to take a quick shot of the front of the car.